Good morning, journaling friends. This is Cheryl Ann. Today's Friday, July 11th, and I have another completed ring-bound journal for you this morning. This is my farmer's market one, and this is one of the ones that in my previous video I was showing you about the cover. I ended up completely covering it with gesso, and then I put on layers of fabric, and I put this little ruffle here, and there's one on the back cover, and there's also one on the inside front and the inside back, just to give it more color, a little bit of relief. So let's take a look. She's 9 1/4 by 7 1/2. She does have the 3 rings. These rings are very, very easy to open and close. They don't stick at all. It was very easy getting all this. There's quite a bit of paper in here. So I had this gorgeous farmer's market fabric with the rooster, and it says farmer's market. And I really wanted to use it in a journal. She does have some recipes. She's not a recipe book at all, though. And if you don't want the recipes, please take them out. But this one even says farmer's market. It's from one of those Susan Branch books. I think it was her Heart of the Home. But the look at these pictures are just so gorgeous. So there's some little journaling cards that I've clipped in here. I did use a digital kit, and I'm going to have to look up the name and put it in the comments because, of course, by now I've forgotten. But it was just so cute, and the colors, oh my gosh, they went so well. Here's a little card. This is a Thanksgiving card, but it went with the theme. So if you don't, if you want to save it for Thanksgiving, you can save it for Thanksgiving. And then I used quite a few of these papers that I had from a garage sale. I got them up in Big Bear, and they're the perfect size, and they came in so handy. So there's some more journaling cards. Here's another one of her gorgeous digital images. And then here's one on the back. It says, this is my happy place. And she's done these. She's designed all these. Those are her Franken pages. So every divider has some of the graph paper, which was already hole punched, and it fit perfectly. And then every section has one of these distressed index cards. So I did keep the tabs, and I did sew fabric on the tabs. Like, here's an envelope on the back of one, and it has some journaling cards. And again, the Susan Branch, her her illustrations are just so daintily done. I had to include them. I mean, look at this. A summer table. This would be a good summer book, memory book. Oh, every divider has some of this paper, which is the lined horizontal. It also has, I had some cardstock in real bright colors, so I included it. There's the index card. There's the graph paper. I used a lot of scrapbook paper. Look at that one. Isn't that a pretty background? And it matched that, so I put it there. Okay, this one is a little pocket with a couple cards. I did pull out some pages out of my botanical interests catalog about vegetables. See, there's a nice writing space. But these papers from her book, they're really nice and thick, and she has cute little quotes. And I mean, look at that. Her illustrations are just so cute. They really went with the theme. So, see, there's the writing paper. There's this ledger kind of paper. That one I put a pocket and a journaling card. Here's the card stock. There's botanical interests. But their pictures are just so bright. This is a really bright and cheerful and sunny little journal. You know, she's not that big. She's not as big as the 5 ring. But there are plenty of papers in here, and you can take out any you don't want or add your own. There's a little journaling card and another one there that went with the theme. I really wanted to do a farmer's market. We have one here in town. It's closed now for the summer, but it's in Palm Springs and La Quinta. The Palm Desert one isn't open, but they'll open up. I think October is when they open back up. Oh, here's fresh corn salad. You know, my husband's from Western Pennsylvania, and he talks about how in the summertime they would just go out and pick the corn and put butter on it and salt and pepper, and that was their dinner. That and some bread. So there's all kinds of little recipes, but I put them in here because the pictures were just so cute. Here's another pocket with a journaling card. This paper is really nice stuff. It's nice and heavy. And there's a card with the little hen. There's the graph paper, the index card. Oh, this one even comes with a free packet of broccoli. It's from 2018, so your germination might be only 50%, but I can't grow it here. It's not the right season, and by the time I plant it... And this one was chicken breast, so I put that in there. Some pretty apple paper. Oh, and here's a Burpee sunflower packet with a little tag. There's the graph paper, the card. Some more fabric. Oh, this has the little card. I put this one in the baking section. And then there's some carrot, because who doesn't love carrot cake? And there's the orange cardstock. And tomatoes. Another little journaling card. So I just had so much fun with this one. I really love this one. There's some sunflowers. There's a lemon themed scrapbook paper. This one has a bunch of journaling cards in it that were all kind of here far off to the market. Here's a grocery list. So they're all related. I really saved up a bunch of stuff to use in this one. Here's a little blank card with apples. There's one of the digitals with some cards, and then there's a little card in here and a little envelope. I mean, there's all kinds of places to tuck stuff. But like I said, you know, if you don't like any of this, you are free to take it out and put your own stuff in. Oh, love this sunflower fabric. This is my favorite fabric, and it's a good thing I have like 3 yards of it that I got at the thrift store. I'm heading up that way tomorrow. I'm going to go visit our son overnight. His family in Temecula. Hubby's going to stay here with the dog. The 2 of them will watch TV all day. Oh, I did put in some of these. I thought that was kind of handy to have. Yeah, so I'm just going overnight, and then I'll be back. I like that one. It was kind of a little garden design. There's some more of the digitals. Really pretty. I will find and put the name of the kit. Oh, there's a cute little tag from some of the scrapbook paper I had left. If I have leftover paper, I usually try to make tags out of it. And there's the farm. There's my farm fabric. Oopsies. They're coming out. Some more journaling tags. And this one with the applesauce, I thought, oh, that's so perfect. My grandmother used to make her own applesauce and can and preserve things. Cornmeal muffins. Oh. Like I said, it's not a cookbook, it's not a recipe book, but I put those in because the pictures were so cute and they really went with the theme. So here we are at the end. I put this orange one to pick up the orange here and the orange in the flowers. And see, the fabric says Farmer's Market. That's I had to cover up the rooster. So there she is. I will put her in my Etsy shop, which is Deserts and Beyond. I will put the name of the digital kit, so if I forget, please remind me. She will be in there today. So I hope you really enjoy her. She is just the cutest little thing. Sometimes, you get an idea of how you want things to come out and they don't come out that way. This one actually came out better than I expected. So I'm really happy with that. I really love this one. So thanks for stopping by. If you have any comments, leave them below and I'll get back to you. Thanks for stopping by. Bye for now.